So let us take a similar example. So you are asked to divide the same expression, this time with x square plus 4x minus 2. So how do we do this? Again, write the coefficients 3, 0, 0, 6, 5, minus 2. Now the leading coefficient is 1, so I don't need to write it. So change the signs of the remaining coefficients. So you get minus 4 and plus 2. So let us start our division. So first, just bring this 3 down. And now use this 3 as a multiplying factor for these two numbers. Minus 12, 3 2s are 6. So 0 minus 12 is minus 12. And minus 12 into minus 4 is 48. Minus 12 into 2 is minus 24. If you add these two, 48 plus 6 is 54. 48 plus 6 is 54. Now 54 into minus 4. Minus 216. 54 into 2 is 108. 54 into minus 4 is minus 216. 54 into 2 is 108. Now add all this. So 200 minus 240 plus 6 minus 234. Minus 234. Now minus 234 into minus 4. So 800 plus 120, 920 plus 16 is 936. And minus 234 into 2 is minus 468. Minus 468. Now the division process is complete. So just add these three. 936 plus 108 is 1044 plus 5, 1049. And minus 468 minus 2 is minus 470. So you have two numbers here. So the last two numbers goes to the remainder and the first four numbers goes to the quotient. Hence the quotient is 3x cube minus 12x square plus 54x minus 234, and the remainder is 1049x minus 470. Again, I hope this is clear to you. Now let us take another example where you have a leading coefficient other than 1.